What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's product review, I'm going to be reviewing the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. So first, I'm going to be washing the stroke with the Citrus Wash and Gloss. So, directions. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Shake well, clean surface before application. Apply a thin coat to surface using a quality microfiber or foam applicator. Buff off wax using a premium microfiber towel for a deep wet shine. Don't forget, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down at the bottom. And if you guys have any comments or questions, also don't forget to leave them down at the bottom. So like always, I do like to use my foam cannon for everything that I do. So I like to use about 4 to 2 ounces, be a little bit generous. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Alright guys, so here is my full action polisher. Nothing fancy, something from Harbor Freight. I've had it for a good minute already, maybe like 3 or 4 years. So it hasn't given up on me yet. Alright, so here we go. Got my fresh pad. Okay, so I don't know, I always like to prime my pad. Everybody's different. Let's see. Try to hit it a little bit with the quick detailer. Alright, so here it is. Butter Wet Wax. Shake it. Alright, so you don't have to go too crazy with this. Like I said in my other videos, Chemical Guys products are exceptional for gliding over the paint pretty well. So, all right. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this side, I just did this side. It doesn't take long using this product. It's right away. So, look at that. Look at that depth. Holy cow. Wow. And this is the side on the shade. Wait till I do the side on the sun. Look at that. Holy cow. Alright, here it is with a bunch of bead on it. I'm gonna do the back. So wipe it off. Turn that off it. Alright guys, check it out. Alright guys, so there you have it. I mean, look at that depth. Holy cow. Wow. Get you some of that. Woo. Look at that. Alright guys, so I came back to a place that brings back a lot of memories. Hopefully they make it back. But anyways, here's the truck after the butter wet wax. I mean, I have to say, wow. I mean, look at that. So there you have it, guys. Another video of this crazy awesome product, butter wet wax by Chemical Guys. I can't say enough. I mean, like I said, it's easy to apply, it's easy to remove, but this wax, I mean, like, it did an awesome job, you know. Really good, really good. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of the video, and we'll see you for the next one. Thank you, guys.